Hi folks, Terry Brown here. Thanks so much for taking a few moments to check out this video today. And I've got a real great thought I want to share with you. And that thought is a successful man or woman is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks that others have thrown at him or her. I've got to say that one again. A successful man or woman is one who can lay a firm foundation with the bricks that others have thrown at him or her. What a great thought by David Brinkley. Okay, so here we are, okay, at I'm doing this video, obviously. And as you can see, it says get the page, okay? And we have a marketing page that we use to receive a multiple $50 payments, okay? And so you can begin to start the process of making money now. Now, obviously, you're going to have to put in a little bit of work, but the work is very, very simple. If you can use a safe list or a traffic exchange, okay, a solo ad, okay, if you can copy and paste, then guess what? Then you can do this business, all right? And I want you to notice here for me, it says no website needed, $50 one time out of pocket. This is one of the easiest, simplest businesses, okay, that you can participate in. One, it's low cost, all right, and you start sharing it, and guess what? You're eventually going to start receiving payments, and you can receive multiple payments, $50 over and over again, okay? Plus, you're going to get my advertising resources, which is going to help a great deal, okay? Receive $50 payments. There it is, over and over again. Earn a great extra income, all right? And I love this as well. You can use the payment processor of your choice. So you're going to get what? Again, my advertising resources, but not only that, I'm going to also give you my action plan. So we've got some things for you, and all you need to do is to access the page. Okay, so it's the page. You see where it says click here. Now you may not get this this page here, but you're going to get one page, and this is going to take you directly to the page. I don't need any information from you. All I need to know is, do you want to make some money? Okay, that's all I need to know. If you want to make some money, then you're going to go to one of my pages, whatever one is going to be there for you when you get there, and you click here, and that's going to take you to the page. So there it is. What? Get the page, receive multiple $50 payments, okay? Make money now. And so when you get to the page, there's a 3-minute video. The page is going to explain the products that you receive, and basically how you can do this business. Again, the payment processors of your choice. I use Google Pay, I use Cash App, I use Zelle, and I'm thinking about adding Stripe to my payment page. That's going to be up to you. It's all up to you. The thing is to get started today. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Bye-bye now.